who has been asked to complete the work, who has been asked to collect the ticket amount after laying of that corridor? Who's going to maintain that line? None? No? My friends from Congress were upset and angry also. Mr. Akbar, you never attended the Old City Foundation Stone. Yes, I say now. I say now. I didn't attend. The reason behind is that there was no agency which was given the contract to execute this work. This is how you lay the foundations? Without a tender being called, without a contract being given, without an agency has been given the responsibility of the work, you have to just lay the foundations? Is this justice? क्या ये इंसाफ है? क्या ये इंसाफ है पुराने शहर के साथ? फाउंडेशन स्टोन रख दिए, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का आता है ना पता है. L&T says कि whatever amount was given to me was approved for the corridors. I have already spent that amount. I do not have the amount. I am not going to execute the Old City corridor. So the question arises कि who is going to execute the Old City corridor? Why has the foundation been laid? Why has it been laid? कब तक हमको बेवकूफ बनाया जाएगा? सर ये सही नहीं है. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि this will be corrected and immediately Old City Metro corridor work is going to start. Sir, it is very sad, sir. Sir, I welcome, sir. We understand that the Hyderabad Metro Trail has declined to fulfill the obligation of laying the Old City line for corridor from Imliman to Falaknuma, sir. But at the same time, sir, we welcome that Honorable Chief Minister Sahab had said that Chandrayaan Gutta will be made a hub and airport se aa raha hai, sab aa raha hai. BRS ne bhi hamare saath नाइंसाफी की, हमारे साथ इंसाफ नहीं किया. बार बार बोलते रहे कि पुराने शहर में मेट्रो हाँ ला लेंगे, रेल के छुक छुक चलेगी. केटीआर साहब ने असेंबली में कहा था यहीं से, हाँ अकबर साहब छुक छुक चलेगी. आपके पास ना छुक छुक है ना कुछ है, कुछ भी नहीं है, नहीं चल रही है सर. पूरे शहर में चल रही. सर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, I want to come on this record and say this, sir. If I am wrong, sir, I would say that I may be suspended from this house, sir. When did the metro came? How did the metro came to Hyderabad? Sir, it was me, sir. I stood and I argued and I debated and I fought for metro, sir. Sir, I remember the late legislator, Mr. Janardhan Reddy Saab, Khairtabad MLA. He used to stand and he used to say, "Nahi Akbar Saab, metro nahi, mono hona." So I and Janardhan Reddy used to fight. Mono metro. I remember Rashekar Reddy Saab, he stood up and he said, "Akbar will do one thing, we'll go to Delhi, we'll see the metro. You are saying the metro is very good? Yes, we'll do it." Satyam tha साहब, सत्यम को दिया गया था माइटास, उल्टा सत्यम का माइटास. फिर वो सत्यम डूब गया, माइटास से चला गया. Rashekar Reddy Saab, we with the delegation went to Delhi, sir. We saw the metro. और उसके बाद में मेट्रो हैदराबाद को आया. मेट्रो को जो लाया उसके एरिया में छुक नहीं है, मेट्रो नहीं है, पूरे शहर में फिर रही है. इससे बड़ी नाइंसाफी और क्या होना है सर? ठीक है, हमको नहीं दिए ना. हम पैदल चलते थे, पैदल चलने में ही खुश है. हम साइकिल पे थे, साइकिल में ही खुश है. हम रक्शे में थे, हम रक्शे में ही खुश है. मगर पुराने शहर के लोग मुंतजिर हैं, समझ रहे हैं कि आप लाएंगे मेट्रो. प्लीज मेट्रो को लाइए सर. सर, रीजनल रिंग रोड सर has a component of 158.6 kilometer northern road and 189 southern kilometer road, which makes almost 350 kilometers ring road sir. Sir, ये ring road के बारे में भी पूरा northern part will cost 13,522 crores and southern part will cost 12,980 crores and the total outlay of works is 26,002 sir. Sir, about this going further ahead sir, मैं हैदराबाद के ताल्लुक से ये भी बोलूंगा सर कि हैदराबाद में CPP, sir, when Mr. Suresh Reddy was the speaker, sir, I still remember, I said, Suresh Reddy Saab, I was in my 20s, Now, then I said, I am in my almost in my 40s. इतने साल से बोल रहा